Hello, Paul here from EMD Automotive, Caringbah, Sydney. I just finished running the wire, just a rough run, not 100% properly, but just want to try everything before, make sure it works before, then I'll tidy up everything. So now turn it on. So I run the wire properly. Now I'm going to get the switch. So now the wiring's done, so the wires come through here, with the firewall properly, to here as well. So it's run properly as well, so it doesn't, we're not doing it. So the wire's going through here. You there? There's a grommet there, and then the wire runs in here as a protection. Then that's the antenna. And now you can see the actual, whoa, that's pretty bright. That's really bright. Alright, that's how it looks. We're going to tidy up later on and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching and please subscribe.